So this trust cards is new technology in Hong Kong. Octopus is very famous in Hong Kong, but this new technology is the idea of my husband. I'm the first one using this. So now let's go to the MTR. See? Amazing. Ako yung kauna-unahang gumamit nito dahil ito yung idea ng asawa ko. Nandito na ako sa loob ng MTR. Ako yung kauna-unahang gumamit ng card na ito dahil ito yung kauna-unahang nagawa.
Help us keep the station entrances and compounds clear and tidy.
Patatong lang.